Hey guys, so this is like a very quick video for you about the best AI tools for teachers, the kind of like the ones that you have to be like maybe aware of. So Magic School AI, so 60 plus AI tools specifically for educators. You got like lesson plans, rubrics, syllabi, worksheets, also text leveler, translator, AI chatbot, also FERPA compliant, and you get like free basic account that you can like check out for yourself. So I highly recommend to check this one out. Maybe you're gonna like it. That you can actually like find here, for example, for teachers. So check this one out. Maybe you will like it. Also, another one that maybe you would like is called Eduide AI. So this is another one. So we got 100 plus content types, learning objectives, activities, assessments, rubrics, translates to 15 plus languages, and teaching assistant bot. So this is kind of like another one that you can check out. You got also free trial, I think here. Yeah, we're gonna go like free here, and so you can actually like check it out and get started. Then you get another one. This is called like Brisk Teaching. So this is like working in existing tools, adjust reading levels on any web page, feedback on Google Docs, curriculum to lessons converter, so that's good. And for grading and feedback, you're gonna have Gradescope. So Gradescope, what it does, is you got AI-powered grading for essays, handwritten work, code, answers grouping for faster grading, reusable rubrics, detailed analytics. So check it out. Now, another one is also GoGrader. So GoGrader is also interesting one. You get objective grading system, eliminates biases and detailed justification. And for kind of like the student engagement that you can actually check out is called Quizzes. This is a very popular one. So you got AI generated quizzes for any content. Also, you got gamification, real-time feedback, adaptive difficulty, performance analytics. So this is the one that you can like check out for yourself. Maybe you would like it, and maybe it would be like great for you to check it out. And then you can have also QueryPod. So this is also a great one. Interactive lessons, real-time AI feedback, student reports, and live engagement tools. So check that one out. Maybe you would like it too. And then also Edpuzzle. So this is great one too. Transform any video into interactive lesson. And you got AI generated questions and specific points, track students engagement, and great for flipped classrooms too. So this is pretty much it, and hope this video provided a little bit of value. What are kind of like the best AI tools for teachers right now on the market. So thank you very much guys, and have a great day and goodbye.